আৰু আজীবন জেলত থাকোঁতে থাকোঁতে বড়োলেণ্ড হৈ যাব জেলত থাকোঁতে থাকোঁতে বড়োলেণ্ড হৈ যাব জীৱন জেলত থাকোঁতে থাকোঁতে বড়োলেণ্ড হৈ যাব
Truth is that this is some government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland. It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sensed his words now. He himself has said that Ro has dissociated from APSU now. He said, and Ro did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Ro spent 3 crores of rupees in APSU movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, this money that is
That is
spent
not
or these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing. But
No. How it can be proved? This is not true at all. This is not true.
जों मोनसे थांखियावनो थायोब्ला सिमां मोनसेखौनो नुयोब्ला मोनसे हारि होननानै सानोब्ला आरो गासैबो सैथोआव थायोब्ला आरो फोथायोब्ला जोंखौ बे बुहुमाव रावबो बोखावनो हानाय नङा जोंखौ रावबो बे बुहुमाव फेजेननो हानाय नङा जों जागोन देरहासार As long as we profess one faith, one nation, and one principle, and one dream, no force on earth can divide us. No force can defeat us. Gedemalasi Araraja Raja Nangchangman. We know that dialogue is the highest form of fighting or war. जों मिथियो जे जि सावरायनाय बिनो बयनिसायबो गोजौ थाखोनि नांनाय जुजिनाय एबा दावहा बुजाबुजि खालामनो एबा गोरोबथालायनो सावरायनाया बयनिख्रुइबो देरसिन जुजिनाय नांनाय होनना जों मिथियो बर'फ्रा बेखौ थांनाय 50 बोसोराव मोनदांबोदों खनफ्रोमबो सोरखारजों सावरायनो थांनायाव बर'फ्रा जेनदों थगायजादों बेनिखायनो जों सांग्रां जानांगोन जोबथा आरो जौसिन मेलेम आरो गियान गोलो बाहायना दावगालांनांगोन